Just gonna do a quick little video on unboxing the Avata 2 because why not? I have the Fly More combo, so it includes the 3 batteries. And I already unboxed the RC3, which I decided I wanted because being able to fly in manual mode. So let's see what is in the box. Alright, right away we get the little pack or bag that comes with the Fly More combo, which is super nice one. Super nice. It feels almost like water resistant. And we got some pockets on the sides. And guessing that gets undone. Yep. Cool. Hell yeah, that's really nice. Like a nice camera bag. Alrighty, and now for what's inside. First things first, we got the drone. Everything is in the plastic baggies. We have the goggles. We have the battery charger. And we have the remote, which actually feels heavier than I thought because, you know, all the videos online are, oh, it's so light, but it's kind of light. But it has like the right amount of heft to it. Then in the top bag here, we got a few things. We have C2C cable, propeller, and then we have the corrective lenses and then a little extension for the headband for the goggles and some paperwork. So I'm just gonna unbag everything and then just give you guys like a quick overview on everything that comes in the pack. Just as a little in between, everything is on the charger, and hopefully you have all your own cables because the only thing it comes with is a single cable. Okay, this is everything all together before I activate it, of course. It comes in the Fly More combo. Just go through here. The one USB-C cable, a dongle USB-C to USB, the pad that will extend the goggles off of your face, the drone itself with a camera cover, the motion controller, the smart battery pack, and 2 A propellers and 2 B propellers. And I haven't seen anything online about other people talking about the stickers they got, but these are kind of sick. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and activate all of these, and then I will do a first test flight, and well, first flight ever for me in an FPV drone, and I will show you guys along the way. See ya. Alrighty, well, that was some of my footage from my first and third flight. Uh, Second flight, I don't know. I was having some issues, but the first flight I took with the motion controller, and the third flight was with the regular RC controller, and I felt a lot more in control the second time. But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think, and hopefully you enjoyed. Anyway, see you guys.